Ba. Sheep says ba. Cow. What does the cow say?
Go.
What is it?
Go.
Goat. What does the goat say?
Me. Me.
Meh. Meh.
Oh.
What is it?
Me.
What is it? Yeah, it's a horse. What does the horse say?
Me.
Neigh. What is that?
Wow.
Not a wow. What is that?
Cat.
Duck. Yeah, good. Duck. What is that?
Tattoo.
Tractor.
Say it again.
Tattoo.
Tractor.
Tattoo. Tattoo.
Tractor. Truck. Truck. Pumpkin. You're getting there on that one. Wheat. Yeah, good job. That's a new one. Berries. Mm-hmm. Pumpkin. Bunny. What is it? Dog. What is the... Woof, woof.
No.
Donkey? What's that? Cat. What does the cat say? Meow. Scarecrow. What's that? What is it? A flower. Cow. Wool. Ba. Sheep. Pig. Pig. Goat. What does the goat say? Mm-hmm. Horse. What does a horse say? Mm-hmm. What is that?
What's he looking at? What page is it?
Chickens? But he kept doing it. Numerous pages. Excuse you. Tractor. Hey.